Most socket sets sold online are rusty, flimsy, and missing essential sizes. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stranded under the hood. Want a reliable set that fits every bolt without hunting through the toolbox? Relax, this video has you covered and guides you to the right picks. Today, I'm going to be going over the best socket set that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Egofine Socket Set. From first glance, this chrome vanadium socket kit presents a rugged chrome-plated finish and a compact blow-molded case that promises portability. Users will notice the included storage case neatly organizes the 21-bit sockets along with the 13 metric sockets for quick selection. The build uses premium chrome vanadium steel with reinforced thick inner walls, drastically reducing bursting risk under heavy leverage during automotive tasks. This kit includes 21-bit sockets and 13 metric sockets, plus a single quarter-inch quick ratchet handle for instant engagement. It adds several extension bars plus a universal joint, expanding reach in cramped areas with a reliable 1/4-inch drive. A robust blow-molded toolbox keeps the entire assortment organized, portable, and protected during transport and on busy job sites. The sockets feature a mirror chrome-plated finish that enhances wear resistance, reduces corrosion, and keeps tool surfaces looking premium after heavy use. The setup uses a 1/4-inch drive with a quick ratchet handle to facilitate rapid switching between sockets during repairs. In our real-world tests, the Egofine set held up under sustained torque and steady use, delivering consistent torque and reliable engagement. From a usability perspective, the quick-release switch and reversible mechanism significantly speed up tasks, reducing downtime between changes and keeping workflow smooth. Compared to a typical budget set from a rival brand, the Egofine demonstrates thicker walls and better coverage across metric and imperial sockets. The pros include an extensive bit socket assortment, versatile extension bars, and a storage case that ensures easy transport and organized tool access. The cons include heavier construction due to the robust inner walls and overkill for casual DIY tasks that could overwhelm beginners. At number 4, we have the LLNDEI Socket Set. Designed for professionals and hobbyists alike, this comprehensive kit promises versatility, covering metric and standard sockets with a broad accessory assortment. The rugged chrome vanadium steel construction feels built to withstand heavy use in garages and service bays over many years. The kit uses a drop-forged process for each socket, delivering robust performance under high torque without premature wear or deformation. The ratchet features a low-profile head and a 72-tooth action for quick engagement in tight spaces. Laser etch sizes provide fast identification, reducing guesswork under dim workshop lighting and speeding up repair workflows every day. The set covers metric sizes from 8mm up to 22mm and SAE from 5/16 to 3/4 inch. With deep and shallow sockets included, the master kit handles a wide variety of fasteners encountered in automotive and home projects. The 3/8-inch drive is supported by 2 power extension bars and a quick-release ratchet handle. A T-bar adapter and a spinner handle expand versatility for stubborn fasteners in tight engine compartments. The sizes feature high-contrast laser markings that enable fast identification, supporting accurate torque application during professional repairs. LLNDEI emphasizes quality with a lifetime warranty and compliance to ANSI and DIN standards, reinforcing investor confidence through guaranteed durability. Performance testing in real-world scenarios shows reliable torque transfer, consistent socket engagement, and minimal wear after repeated heavy use. Compared with the Acme Pro socket set, LLNDEI delivers greater bit variety and better value at a similar price point. The pros include the sturdy, stout construction, the expansive bit assortment spanning multiple drive types, and a reassuring lifetime warranty. The cons include a higher price compared to simpler sets and the heavier weight which may hinder portability in compact trunks. At number 3, we have the DEWALT DWMT74739. From the initial unboxing, this model immediately signals professional intent with a comprehensive set and durable case, ready for daily use. This kit targets professionals, shop technicians, and serious DIY enthusiasts who value reliability, organization, and fast, repeatable results. Build quality centers on CR440 steel construction and true impact readiness, offering resilience against torque spikes and repeated use. The case securely houses sockets with labeled slots that help keep the full 23 pieces organized. The included extension and adapter expand reach, making common automotive tasks easier when space is constrained or fastener positions are awkward. The 72-tooth ratchet delivers tight, precise engagement with minimal backlash, enhancing control during stubborn bolts and long sessions. The quick release button simplifies socket changes, reducing downtime and maintaining workflow momentum in busy garages and roadside repairs. Sockets are clearly sized with laser-etched markings for easy identification, minimizing misfit moments when hands are greasy or gloves are worn. The set is compatible with both metric and SAE sockets, enabling broad applicability across vehicles and machinery. Direct torque technology helps prevent rounding by distributing load more evenly across contact surfaces during high torque applications. Compared with a basic chrome set, real-world testing shows the DEWALT model maintains torque control, minimal wear, and reliable engagement. The pros include durable build, extensive size coverage, and quick-release convenience. The cons include higher price and heavier weight relative to smaller or cheaper chrome sets. At number 2, we have the DEWALT DWMT75049. Initial impressions reveal a rugged, professional-grade set that speaks to automotive technicians and serious DIYers seeking broad socket coverage in one package. Target audience includes professional mechanics, shop technicians, and ambitious enthusiasts who value extensive drive sizes, durable construction, and reliable torque transfer. Build quality centers on chrome vanadium steel with corrosion resistance and a mirror polished finish that enhances durability and professional presentation. Direct torque technology in the socket set ensures optimized torque transfer, reducing rounding when loosening tough fasteners in cramped, oily engine bays. 6-point socket geometry provides superior grip and minimizes rounding injuries during heavy-duty removals, outperforming traditional 12-point designs in many tasks. A mirror-polished chrome vanadium finish resists corrosion and maintains a professional aesthetic even after repeated use in oily, high-humidity environments. Clear, hand-stamped sizes speed up selection in busy garages, improving efficiency during multi-fastener sessions and reducing misfits. The included hard shell case offers organization and portability, with a dedicated tray layout that keeps sockets, extensions, and adapters secure. 192-piece coverage across quarter drive, 3/8 drive, and half-inch drives, plus metric and SAE sockets. Deep sockets and extensions include assorted lengths and adapters, enabling reach for recessed fasteners and awkward angles in engine bays. All sockets are clearly stamped and include both SAE and metric sizes for immediate on-the-spot verification during field repairs. In real-world testing, the direct torque alignment maintained grip during high torque sessions with minimal cam out and a repeatable bite every time. In a direct comparison with a Craftsman 230-piece set, this DEWALT model delivers superior torque control and case organization. The pros include expansive size coverage across SAE and metric, durable chrome vanadium construction, and a clearly organized carrying case that simplifies transport. The cons include a higher price point when compared with budget sets and a heavier weight that can complicate long-duration transport. At number 1, we have the EACELY Socket Set. From the moment you unbox it, the 64-piece 3/8-inch drive socket set signals serious capability for DIYers and professionals. Its rugged chrome vanadium construction and rust-resistant black powder coating instantly convey durability for automotive, home repair, and shop environments. The build quality centers on a 72-tooth ratchet and a compact handle that delivers precise engagement even in tight spaces. Meanwhile, the laser-etched high-contrast sizes on each socket resist wear and stay legible under dim workshop lighting. A sturdy storage box accompanies the set, and deep plus shallow sockets cover SAE and metric ranges for versatile projects. In practical use, the chrome vanadium construction handles high torque scenarios with minimal flex, keeping fasteners turning smoothly across metals. A rust-inhibiting oil accompanies the set, and surface drying during shipment is normal, easily refreshed with a light oil layer. The 6-point design provides better grip on fasteners, reducing rounding and slipping under higher torque demands. The collection spans broad sizes with metric sockets from 6mm through 19mm and SAE sockets from 5/16 to 1 inch. The set uses a compact case that keeps pieces organized and portable, ideal for trunk storage and regular shop use. Along with drive extension bars and adapters, the kit includes a bit adapter to support varying fastener types during maintenance tasks. In comparison to a popular budget set, the EACELY Socket Set delivers deeper sockets, higher torque tolerance, and laser-etched sizing. The pros include durable chrome vanadium steel construction, laser-etched high-contrast sizes, and a sturdy storage box. The cons include a higher price versus budget alternatives and a noticeably heavier weight that makes longer